Meet John. John is about to have a conversation with a client who is waiting for a quote. Unfortunately, John cannot finish off the quote as he is still waiting for pricing from suppliers and the engineering team. Their current CAD system doesn't have an integrated costing module that assists them with obtaining accurate costings throughout the designing phase. Hey Kev, yeah, I was just about to phone you. Almost done with that quote of yours. What? This is the part where John's client informs him that the opposition has already submitted their quote on the project and that the cut-off time for bids closes in an hour. Yeah, I'm on it. Bye. At this point in time, John wishes he had an integrated costing solution to manage his costings and design data in a collaborative space. If only John had Solidworks Professional and the 3D experience, he would have been able to get the project costing done in a flash.